Hey guys, we're at the property today. It's December 23rd, and yesterday, December 22nd, our windows were delivered for the third time. Now, they all look much better. So far, I'm seeing a couple little issues, but the two original sets of windows that we received were painted vinyl. These ones are now the vinyl that is colored, so the paint can't flake off, basically. That's what we originally expected from these windows, was the colored vinyl itself. And I even discussed that with our Home Depot guy in the beginning, and he thought the same. So the problem we're having now is that our sliding doors are actually the painted vinyl. So if you look, you can see the white showing through, which is the white vinyl, and they just painted these. So any little scratch or scrape is going to actually scrape off this color. And I don't think this is the correct color. So these might actually have to be replaced. We are going to be putting in our 3 dining room windows and seeing what it looks like. So I have to today go through them, inspect them. The one window we're already finding has scratches in the glass, so we're gonna put it in and see what it looks like, see if you can see the scratch. But if we I was trying to talk, but I was watching her. I'm like, this is all good. The kids are tobogganing. But anyway, so yeah, we're gonna put it in, see what it looks like. If you can still see the scratch, then they're gonna have to replace it. The problem is all of Ontario is going on lockdown as of after Christmas, so I don't know. The other thing is that they haven't delivered our 2 basement windows because they didn't have the brick mold yet. That's where we're at, and we'll see how far we get today, but I don't know. Oh, an update on compensation for this, I have not heard yet. So hopefully today I know more, because I told them I didn't want to accept these windows until I knew of the compensation. The problem is that Dad had a day surgery yesterday, and I was actually even an hour away to come here, and they didn't notify me that they were coming until they were already in the truck. So Kyle and Matthew were here to accept them, and they kind of briefly looked over them while they were dropping them off. So anyways, that is where we're at so far, and I'll let you know more when I know more.
So
are we turning it on outside?
Just carry it this way. I don't want the thing. Sit down like that for a second. This way. Okay, I'll hold this and go to that side. You know what I mean? But if there's 2 of you, one might be able to catch it. You have to turn it around.
Yeah, I was gonna say. They're 2 different colors. Set it up in the sill.
How heavy is it? Can you do it or no?
You won't be able to with the felt buster.
I know, but don't.
They're 2 different colors, anyways.
Set it down. It's down all the way. That was a lot lighter.
Yeah, that's the yellow, and that's the more pink undertone.
This is also the stuff they sprayed. Look.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying.
Is it closer than what it was, though?
No. Well, maybe.
It's closer, but you don't want it painted, though, right?
No. No, like that, the first hailstorm.
How many nails I got in there? I got it nailed right across the top, eh? Well, we can take them out. Okay, take it out. We're putting in this one, so now she just proved that that's no good. So it's going in? You want to come back up here? Yeah.
Yeah, until I can see the scratches on it. Like.
Okay. I'll go in and then put it on the sill like you just did.
Maybe we'll go down here. So trying to climb a ladder.
Okay.
All you gotta do is that. Yeah. Can you hold it there now? Yeah. I'll go in.
That looks good though with the brick mold.
You know what? I don't even really need the ladder for this part. Yeah. Just for nailing.
See, it's right there. Alright, so now that I have the windows here and I'm not as mad about them, that is one of the kids' bedrooms. That is above tub in our bathroom, and where the tub was going to be, but now the vanity in the other bathroom. Here is dining room, living room windows. Again, another bathtub window. We have Damien's windows. We have spare bedroom windows. these are just the screens. And then again, a dining room or living room. Here is our curved. Then we have this window goes in our bathroom right there. That window goes in that bathroom. And then, so what happened was, this is actually the new window and we didn't know. And we already put the old one in with scratches and stuff. Now this one still has the same like little scratches. I don't know if you can see. But right there you see like a black line. It's the same type of scratches. But this one I'm gonna look at and see if it looks any better than the one that's up there. So, well, and make sure that it's the correct size, but if not, then I guess we have a second window. What else? There is our master bedroom windows there. And then we have that big window and my office window in the garage because we had already put in our front door. Okay, so they couldn't bring the big windows in here anymore because our door is in. But anyways, that big window wouldn't have fit through there. Okay, so that is a casement window fixed. That one opens out from this way, out that way. And then this one will open that way.
Push. Okay? You got it?
Wow.
Wow.
You know what you should do? Wow. I do like the color.
Owen Wilson, or whatever his name is.
I picked the color because I like the color. The problem is when they don't give you the correct color.
So these ones can be not just so good for the flying glass now?
What?
You want me to hand it to you here or no? I think so. Yeah?
There we
You don't
go.
want to go there, right?
Those are dining room ones.
guys are strong enough to just go
Kid, I can go on.
So we laid them down because they have these foot blocks so that they can set on their edge without ruining the brick there.
Grab the other end.
Oh, you mean the top?
Pick it up and turn it that way. Right? 2, 3. Yeah. So just like that. Let me slide it to Matthew. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
It's good that
Okay. Just go slow.
ladder.
Tip her in if you can. Here we go. I hope you gotta go down. You do have to go
Oh,
down,
hang
right?
on. It's just off square, that's all.
Now you're fine. Got a hold of it? Yep. Ready?
That just sounds scary.
Well, we'll go to the end here. Top, whatever you want to call it.
I think you learned
Pick it up. What?
I think you learned not to call it the
Okay.
end.
Ready? Slide it or pull it. Okay, ready? Set it.
Yep.
Got it?
Yep.
Just take your time. So your hammer's gonna fall, so go slow. 2. Yep. Now let me get my fingers out of the way. Go, push.
Okay,
Want to do the big one?
2 more in. So we got 3 in there, 2 in there.
Leave the top and
Yeah.
Well, put her in the hole first. Not do over.
Yep.
Walk your runs. Wait for the
oh, hang on, you're hitting the vinyl. So you gotta come out a little bit. There you go. Good, good, good. I got it. Got it. Sorry.
Yeah, it's in the bottom.
Damien's first window. There it is.
Can't text people? Well, hold
Okay.
up the window.
Last window
I guess
on the
you
back
can.
wall. Going in.
Good idea.
There we go. We're all in. But I'm assuming the sliding doors are going to be coming back out, and maybe the big curved one, so. Come here, come. Up. Stay.
There's a log there.
Hey, ready? Ready?
Those are all thorn bushes.
Yeah. Okay.
Too much weight at the back.
Oh, your string is underneath.
Yeah, when the rope gets underneath, it's like an anchor.
Get on.
I'll get on first. Okay. Now, cross your legs. Ready? Ready?
Three.
Papa's gonna go by himself to see if he can do it.
Of course you can. He's young.
Diesel!
Don't tackle him. Go.
Tony! Your bottom is not big enough, dude.